Hi guys, I hope you're all keeping well and safe. Welcome to Early Years Matters TV. On this channel, we focus on everything early childhood related. And if these are the kind of videos you're looking for, what you have to do is subscribe. And not just subscribe, turn on that notification bell so that whenever a new video is being dropped on this channel, you'll be the first person to be notified. Today, I've got an interesting topic. I'm going to be talking about how to make preschool cycle time fun. Yes, today's discussion is going to be all about how you can make preschool cycle time fun. Yes, are you an early child educator? You're pondering on how you could spice up your cycle time or how you could make your cycle time fun. Don't go anywhere. This video is for you. Let me start by defining what is cycle time. So cycle time is also referred to as group time. So this is a time where children are sitting together, an activity, yes. When you hear the word cycle time, it's also referred to as group time. So this is a time that preschool children, they sit together to engage in an activity. So now that you know what cycle time is, let's talk about how to make preschool cycle time fun. Yes. You need to understand that in the era of early childhood, children learn through play. Children might be thinking that they are having fun, but in return, they are learning. This is going to help in terms of their overall development, holistic development, which is all about the physical, intellectual, language, emotional, social, spiritual, and the cultural aspect of the young child. So let's talk about how you can make preschool cycle time fun. Yes, so you can make preschool cycle time fun by incorporating variety of interactive activities. Yes, incorporate interactive activities that will encourage the children to engage in conversation with their peers and also you, the educator, as well. So if you want to make preschool cycle time fun, you need to ensure that incorporate a variety of interactive activities. Yes, activities such as storytelling. Yes, so when you engage the children in storytelling, they'll be able to engage in conversation with you. They will engage in meaningful conversation with you. Not just you, their peers, you're asking them a question. They are thinking, which has to do with the children using their imagination. You have a storybook that is bright and colorful. You're reading it to the children. They are seated in a circle. You're asking them questions. What do you think is going to happen in the next page? So this has to do with the young child. This has to do with the children using their imagination. They are thinking for a second. What do we think is going to happen next page? So it's interactive. It's not just you, the educator, reading the story and the children are passive. They are not engaging. They are not part of the storytelling. So it's important that in relation to making cycle time fun, ensure that it's create a variety of interactive activities. For instance, such as storytelling. You engage the children in conversation during story time. You're seated, bored, watching you tell them the story. You're engaging in conversation with them about the story. So who can tell us what's going to happen in the next page? What have you learned from the story? And link the story to real life situation that I can talk about. You can also incorporate songs as well. Yes, songs, nursery rhymes that would encourage you, that would part of it. You're not just introducing songs. So the children are singing the songs with you. They are carrying out the actions. For instance, head, shoulder, knees, and toes. So they're singing the songs. They're participating as well. Head, shoulders, knees, and toes. Knees and toes. So they're doing it as well. Head, shoulders, knees and toes, and eyes, ears, and mouth and nose. Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. So the children are engaging in this as well. You're not just singing the song, you're getting them to stand up. They are active participants. They're engaging in the nursery rhyme as well. They're singing it, they're carrying out the songs. So when you do this, you're making cycle time fun for the children. And this is what they like. The children want activities that is fun, that they can participate, that they can enjoy. And in return, you need to understand that this activity is going to promote the holistic development of the young child. For instance, look at the song Heads and Toes. It's going to encourage children to use their fine motor skills. They are using their fingertips to touch part of their bodies. You're going to use their words, non-verbal expressions. They're happy, they are smiling, they're interacting with their peers, they are smiling with their peers, they're laughing with their peers. So can you see that cycle time also does promote holistic development in early childhood as well? Also incorporate movement and hand participation. So the children are participating, like I said, they are moving around. It's circle time. They're not just rigid. They're not just seated. For instance, through nursery rhymes, they are moving part of their bodies. They're doing the actions of the songs. That's hands-on as well. They're part of it. They're exploring part of their bodies. And you're doing this in a fun way compared to, oh, can you touch your nose? Can you touch your mouth? Can you touch your ears? Can you touch your neck? So you're doing this through fun. The children are learning parts of their body through songs. During circle time, it's interactive. They're engaging in the process as well. So it's important that during circle time fun, you need to incorporate interactive activities, that the children will be part of this activity as well. They're engaging in the process. Their hands on their activity. They are doing this activity. In return, you're making circle time fun, but it does promote the holistic development of the young child, which early childhood is all about. So in my next video, I'm going to continue by looking at time include in preschool. And if you found this video helpful, please kindly subscribe, and not just subscribe, turn on that notification bell so that whenever a new video like this is being dropped on this channel, you'll be the first person to be notified. And until I come your way next time, stay safe and mind yourselves for now. Bye.